Welcome to Linux Skill. Today we're gonna see how to install Slack on Oracle Linux 9.2. Slack is an international collaboration platform popular for bringing all your communication together. Slack allows you to organize conversation into channels for teams, projects, topics, or any other purpose you desire. First, I am going to check the OS version by using the following command. The OS version of the Oracle Linux is 9.2. Next, I am going to download the extra package for REPL repository. The REPL repository can be added to my system by using the following command. Give yes. Once it is done, we need to install Snapd package so that we can download and install Slack by using the Slack store. Give yes. Once it is done, the systemd unit that manage the main Slack communications socket need to enable and check the status by using the following command. It is active and running. Next, I am going to restart my system to ensure Slack path are updated correctly. Next, I am going to install Slack simply using the following command. Once the Slack is installed, next to run the application by using the following command. Click the new workspace, enter mail ID and enter the code. Next to set up all the details about your profiles like team name and company name. Now the Slack application is launched and you can start working. This is the process to install Slack on Oracle Linux 9.2.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.